Hello everyone, welcome and namaste. This is me Lalit from Map Mentors. Welcome to this another video on Google Earth Engine. Today we are going to study how to clip the land cover map of your interest using Google Earth Engine. First of all, I have imported a variable from this assets. You can see I have assets of Nepal. It contains all the 77 districts of Nepal, and by simply clicking here, you can import like this. So the variable is table, and inside the table there is a project. I have given a variable ROI, which means region of interest, and I'm filtering my region of interest as Dailic. You can see table.filter, and the Dailic is inside the district underscore EN column. From that, I'm adding this to the layer. So let me run this first. Okay, you can see this is a district boundary of Dailic. Next, I'm going to import the land cover dataset from MODIS. So just write MODIS in your search bar. Go to the first link, and that is the yearly global 500-meter dataset. Just click here and clip this snippet. Okay, then you can paste here. So I'm giving the variable name LC for the land cover dataset of MODIS. So first, this is an image collection. You can see from the code, this is an image collection. Inside the image collection of MODIS, there are different type of land cover dataset. For example, you see in the band. So first one is land cover type 1, land cover type 2, and their description is provided here. For this video, I'm going to select a land cover type 1, and then I'm using the filter bound. Then I'm filtering this for the year 2023 with the mean composite and keeping it with my region of interest. Then I'm adding some visualization parameter, and the minimum is 1 and maximum is 17. I think it should be 0 to 17 because there are 17 land cover types. Okay, these are the palette. Now, what you can do is you can add this LC variable in map. Here, I'm adding the LC variable in the map. Visualization parameter is BIZ, and I'm renaming it with LC. So let me run this line of code. Once you run this code, you will get this type of imagery. And in layers, there are two layers. First one is Dailic, that is the boundary of Dailic, and LC means the land cover image that we filter from this land cover image collection of MODIS. Now you can export this to your drive. For that, just write export dot and press Control and space together. Then this is a map, so we are going to export map to our Google Drive. Okay, just again press Control and spacebar together, and you will get this type of variable here. So keep braces here. Okay, we need the image. The name of image is LC. You can see here the name of image is LC that we want to export. Okay, all right. So the description, you can write anything in description. For example, I'm writing LC for Dailic. Okay. So folder, the name of the folder where you want to export your data in Google Drive. For example, I have a folder name GEE. We don't need this file name and dimension for now. For the region of our interest is ROI, and the scale. What is the resolution of the image? As we know that this is a 500-meter resolution image, so I'm going to write it 500. Okay, 500. We don't need CRS and this. So for the max pixel, I'm going to give it 1E13. Okay, we don't need heart size and all. Let me close the braces and this. Okay, let me run this again. Once I run this code, you see my task is glowing up. When I click to the task, you will see there is the unsubmitted task LC for Dailic. Just click run, and it will show the task name, the scale, and the drive location of our drive, and the format is GeoTIFF, but you can change it to TF recording image, but GeoTIFF is mostly used, so just click run. It might take some time based on your file size and internet speed. So my image is exporting to the drive. And in this way, you can export your image to your drive, and then you can download and visualize in your preferred GIS software like QGIS and ArcGIS. So it's already downloaded. Just click here. So here there is a source script and open in drive. I'm going to open it in my drive. So inside my Google Drive GE, you can see there is image of dialect.tif, which is the name we given to this image, LC for dialect, and image of dialect.tif or LC for dialect.tif. So you can click in the three dot and download and visualize in your preferred software. So this is how you can clip the land cover image of your region of interest. In our next video, we are going to learn how can we create this type of land use map on our own using the supervised learning. If you don't want to miss that video, make sure you subscribe to our channel Map Painters, and I'll see you again. Thank you.